Greetings to all of you. Once again, welcome back to Commerce class. Today we are going to discuss about advantages of debentures. Here also we need to discuss company point of view and investor point of view advantages as like equity shares and preference shares. So let us discuss about company point of view advantages. First one, company can raise long-term debt capital easily for business expansion through debentures. Why company can raise easily long-term capital? Because it keeps company's assets as a surety. That is the reason company can raise long-term debt capital. Second, debentures serve as a cheaper economical method of fundraising for firms with a low rate of interest. That means when company keeps assets as a surety to raise long-term debt capital, there will be a low rate of interest on assets. That's why this is a very cheap and economical method to raise funds, and it helps a lot for the company. Third, debenture holders do not own any voting rights as like a preference shareholders. So finally, they cannot interfere in the management of the company. When there is no interference from the debenture holders, then there is no issue to the company. Fourth, company can gather funds easily through debentures in comparison to equity and preference share. Means when company wants to expand the business, it can show comparison between equity shares and preference shares and their price values and the profit values. Then company can raise funds and it helps a lot to the company. Next, investor point of view merits. First one, debentures offer greater security to the investors who are largely cautious about their investment security. Why? Because when public invest money in any company, so the company must show the security to the investors. Otherwise, public or investor may not show interest to invest in their company. And especially in debt instruments like debentures, they must have guarantee their investment. Second, debentures offer fixed returns to the investors. Debenture is a debt instrument. When investor invest on debt instrument, definitely there is an agreement between a company and investor, and the rate of return also fixed. So there is no problem at all investor point of view while collecting payment. Third, debentures prices are also unaffected of volatile monetary conditions. That means debenture prices won't show any effect on other shares value. So mostly debentures prices are stable or little changes would be there. Due to very little price movement, the debentures area a good option for investors. Fourth, debentures also act as a regular source of income for investors as they get a fixed and regular interest. Why? Because company borrowed money from investors, so investor will get a fixed rate of interest borrowed amount. So it is an advantage investor point of view. So these are the advantages of debentures. Next class we can discuss about disadvantages of debentures. Thank you.